What's up, guys? It's Dan again from Crypto Camacho. Hey, guys, look at this. Okay, so just a few days ago, I made a video about Bitcoin Cash, and I was about to make a trade on Bitcoin Cash, and this was my setup that I drew out right here in a video on the exact same chart using TradingView, looking at the Bitcoin Cash USD Tether pairing on the Poloniex exchange. And I showed how I drew my channel out. I wrote down my base, my area of support, and I wrote down a bar up here for areas of resistance. Then I actually added a risk mitigation tool here, and I drew out what my risk reward would be. And I basically said to myself, okay, so the price, it was up here at the time, I said the price is likely going to fall, but it will not fall past this level, right? It won't likely fall past this level by too much. Maybe a little bit. If it does, I want to get out of the trade, right? But I do know that the price will likely fall down to about right here, right? Because this is the last area of support where there was kind of some ongoing support and a sideward kind of sideways trading was happening right there. So that's where I marked it, okay? And so I drew my risk mitigation tool right here, and I said, okay, I'm going to take a stop loss of 7.26%. You can see that right there. And I'm going to bet that I can get my price to bounce up to 13.44%, right? That's what this is basically saying right here, which gives me a risk to reward ratio of 1.85. Usually I like to see it a bit higher than that. But this was good for my case, in my case for this trade, because it was over a 13% gain if it went well, okay? So that's where I was doing, and look at what happened. To the T, this played out exactly like I wanted it to. I mean, it literally went down right to the line, like literally right on the line. Let me even zoom in here a little bit. It literally bounced right on the line, like exactly on the line, and then it bounced up right to the top, right to my yellow line that I drew, which was where I knew the price was going to stop, because this is the last area of resistance that it hit last time. So it's going to hit that again, and it's going to stop going up, likely, at least in the short term, right? At least in a short time frame. So I can get in, I can get out, right? So that's how it worked. Then to top it off, I used Spectro. And you can see here, okay, I'm looking at a 4-hour chart right now. You can see there's little indications right here with little up. I don't know if you can see that very well. But on Spectro, it's basically telling me, look, the price is going up right there, right exactly where I drew my line. If you zoom in even closer to the 2-hour chart, you could see it again, right? You see that little line, literally that up right here, the up saying it's going to go up right there, okay? And if you go to the 1-hour chart, it's crazy how accurate Spectro is. Let me zoom back out a little bit here. This is the 1-hour chart. And it's crazy how accurate Spectro is, okay? So I drew my manual analysis by drawing lines, by drawing channels, by drawing areas of support and resistance. But Spectro literally lights up like a Christmas tree. Oh no, what's going on with my chart? Lights up like let me zoom back out again. Lights up like a Christmas tree, as you can see right here. See these arrows right here? It lights up exactly on the line on the area where I said the price was going to bounce. The Christmas tree of Spectro lights up. That's why I love that indicator, because it is accurate. And I did the manual kind of work, the manual technical analysis to draw this out. But Spectro confirmed that for me. It lit up right at the exact area that I was going to trade, and it worked out flawlessly. It doesn't always work out this well, in general, but you can use this tool, this indicator, to validate what you're already doing day trading cryptocurrency. And when you're right, it's going to light up and it's going to validate that you actually are right in your call, in predicting the markets, and using this indicator to do so, okay? So I just wanted to show you that. Look at the previous video I made. I made a video a few days ago, right? And it was this exact same setup, but it was before the bounce actually happened. It was when I was just setting up this trade, and I was just showing you that the price had fallen down to my line, but it hadn't gone past my line yet, right? My area, my channel that I drew right there. And so go back and watch that video, and then watch this video, and you'll be amazed at how accurate not only my call was, but how accurate Spectro indicator was at making the exact same call that I made manually by doing manual technical analysis. Okay, I'm Dan, guys, from CryptoCamacho.com. If you like that, let me know right in the comments. Tell me what you like about it. Tell me if you've used Spectro, if you like it, if it's working out for you and making good calls for you as well. And if you like my YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe on that little red by clicking that little red box below. And we always talk about those funny, fun, indispensable tokens that we call cryptocurrency, right? These intangible coins that we have. We can't see them, we can't touch them, we can't smell them, but we trade them on cryptocurrency exchanges, and that's why I love them, because we can get more of these invisible goodies called cryptocurrencies. I'll talk to you next time, guys. I'm Dan. Later.